In this next section, we're going to get into gas laws. Now, I want to give you a warning here. Whenever you're working through gas laws like Boyle's Law, Charles' Law, Gay-Lussac, the combined gas law, you're going to be given a lot of different units. So let's be clear, the very first thing that you always want to do as you approach solving these problems is ensure that your units are consistent, okay? That's number one. Number two, let's address temperature. Temperature, when you're dealing with gases, we always want to convert all of our temperatures, whether it's in degrees Fahrenheit or degrees Celsius, we want to get them to Kelvin. Always convert them to Kelvin. That way your calculations run smoothly and you're adhering to standard practices in doing gas law type calculations. Now, a problem might ask you to, in the end, they may want the temperature in Fahrenheit, or it may want the temperature